All right. The question we get asked a lot is how do we prime up the trucks? And we use Slick Pack 2 is what we use. And I'm going to show you all this. I get this question asked almost every day, if not twice a day. So what it is, just a powder here. I got some water in this bucket just for a little demonstration. We're going to put that good stuff in there. Now you mix all this up with, well, you mix it up in the back of the pump. We usually use our tube in the back to mix it. So we don't normally use a bucket. But it gets slimy. It starts holding the concrete together so the concrete will not separate as you're priming up the pump. So I have not stirred this very long, and it's already. So that's just demonstration. All right, there you go, everybody. How we prime up the pumps. We put Slick Pack 2 in the hopper, let it mix, and the longer it mixes, the nastier it gets. So, looks like what they used in Ghostbusters.